Okay, everyone. Today we're going to look at chapter 25. This is a bit of a practice and revision of what we've done so far. I'll just use the pen tool for this as well. So I'm just going to explain the instructions box first of all. If we look at this one, when you've got meters squared divided by meters, you get meters. So it's like m2 minus m equals m, all right? And the way this worked out here is when you're given an example, the length of the room is 6 meters and the area is 18 meters squared. So you're given the length and you're given the answer. How do you work it out? Well, what you do is you take the answer, 18 meters there, and you divide it by 6 to get 3 meters, all right? So you've got your length and you've got your area, and your answer there is the width, 3 meters. Next one, if you're given the answer of cubic meters, okay, and you are given the square meters, what you've got to work out is the meters. So the volume of the container, imagine it's a big cube, is 24 meters cubed. And the base is 8 meters squared. All right, so you know the full area of the base. How high is it? So you do 24 divided by 8 equals 3 meters. All right, so you know the base and you know the volume, but what that does is work out the height. And in the next one, when the cubic meters are divided by meters, that's meters cubed, and you take away an m, you get m2. So it's like counting the number of m's, for example. m3 minus an m is m squared, m2. So in this example, the volume of the container is 20 meters cubed, and the container is 2 meters high. What's the area of the base? So you know the height of the container, you know the volume. What's the area of the base? Simply take the two numbers, 20 divided by 2 equals 10. And that is it, 10 meters squared. In my instructions at the start, I went through some examples. Start off quite easy. This is just simply 4 times 5, because you've got the length and the width, which is 20 meters squared. The next one, you're given the floor area of 15 meters squared, and the room is 3 meters long. So again, you've got 2 of the 3 answers. So you do 15 divided by 3 equals 5. All right. Here are the other ones as well, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for you to examine and review. Again, these are all word-based questions, and you just are given 2 out of the 3 numbers, and you have to work out what the third number missing is. All right, nice container ship there. All right, moving on. More of the same here. More word-based questions over here. 7, 8, 9, 10. This looks quite difficult, number 10. I'll explain it. So the base of a sandbox is square-shaped. So for square, you know all sides are the same. The side is 2 meters long, and 2 meters cubed of sand fits in the box. Find the height of the sandbox. So if it's 2 meters long and it's a square, it's going to be 2 meters wide as well, isn't it? So what you do here is you've got 2 meters cubed divided by 2 times 2, which is a square, equals 0.5 meters. Okay. These are the notebook exercise answers. Again, more word-based questions here. 11, 12, do on that, 13, and 14 there. In this example, an office container is 8 meters long, 2.4 meters wide, and 2.5 high. So you just times those 3 numbers, okay, to get your answer on there. Okay. These are straightforward multiplication and division problems. Now, you're probably wondering why some of the answers are meters and some of the answers are meters squared and some of the answers are meters cubed. You'll notice, look at the questions. Where you see just one m, okay, it's meters. Where you see 2 m's, it's m2, meters squared. And where you see 3 m's, like this one, it's going to be meters cubed. All right, so that's a quick little trick there to work it out. So you do your normal sum, and then to work out the unit, you pay attention to what m it is, m squared or m for meters or m cubed. This was a complex one. but that shows you the answer there. Traveling the route and pick the letters. Always choose a larger volume. So that's a higher order question there. This is deducing how long it takes to fill the containers. You've got 0.5 litres of water. So, and if it takes 1 minute with 0.5, the first one, well, it would take 2 minutes, isn't it? Because 0.5 twice would be 2 minutes for that. And it's 1 litre. This one would take 4 minutes because it's 0.5 times 4 to make the 2 litres. And the bottom one is 0.5 times 6 to make the 3 litres, and that makes a total of 12 minutes. The other ones worked in the same way. Okay, moving down to homework. Well, this is just a recap really on learning. So have a look at the answers here. Example, find the volume of the room. 8 times 6 times 2. Answer is 96 meters cubed. Remember in your answers to get the correct units as well, guys. Okay, so that you're able to get the answer fully correct. Okay, and that's the answers for today. Remember to mark your work. Hope you found this video useful, and thank you very much indeed. Okay, bye-bye.